Alright everybody, we are back for another video on dot and cross. This time we have BrF4 minus. So again, let's just list down the number of valence electron. Both of them actually have like 7 valence electron because they are both from group 17. Alright, so we got to take note, the negative charge, one extra electron must be given to the most electronegative element, which in this case is one of the fluorine. So fluorine, because it will only form one covalent bond, it will not be the central atom. The central atom obviously is your bromine. So we'll just put it in here, Br, and then we'll put the 4 fluorine all around Br. Okay, so we put it all around, Okay, then we probably want to fill in the 7 electrons for fluorine. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we filled in all the electrons for fluorine. Let's do it for bromine. So bromine will fill. Okay, sorry, we need to add in one extra electron. Almost forgot about it. One extra electron, we can put it in for the fluorine here. Okay, one extra electron. Then we need to fill in for bromine. 1, 2, 3. Okay, then there's another 4 more electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so here we have like 3 single bonds formed with fluorine and 1 dative bond. Okay, so the dative bond is here from fluorine bonded to bromine. Okay, so to finish off this diagram, you just need to put a square bracket, and put a negative charge outside. Alright, so that's all for this diagram. Bromine being in the 4th period, it can expand its octet configuration, so it is okay for it to have like 12 electrons. Alright, so it's okay for it to have 12 electrons. Let me know if this helps.